This video, I'll show you how to transfer money to someone's bank account. So to get started, go ahead and open your bank application, sign in into your account. Now in this section, you'll be able to find the send money option. Click on that. So as you can see in here, if you want to send money to another account with the same bank, you can simply click on the another account button, select the account where you're gonna get the funds from, and enter their account number in this section along with their account name. You can also enter their mobile number registered for that account. After that, you need to enter the amount that you want to send to that person. So if you want to transfer money to another account with a different bank, you can simply select that. From here, select your preferred mode of remittance, and here you need to select the bank or e-wallet of the receiving user. After that, you need to provide their name and their account number or mobile number registered to their account. After that, you need to enter the amount that you want to send to that person. That is how you can basically transfer money to another account.